morning, my all dear friends. My name is Sonam Chodokar. Today I am here for role play with Manoramati. So thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Good morning, sir, and good morning, all my dear friends. My name is Nora. Today I am here for role play, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And my role play topic is two friends meet in restaurant. So,
Hey Manoramati, how are you?
I'm good, and
I am very glad to see you after a long time.
yeah, I'm also glad to meet you. So, what's going on here in your life?
Nothing special. In your life?
Yeah, my life also good. And tell me what you done. What's your plan?
I'm married, so my husband and my daughter and me.
Okay.
Yeah. And tell me about your family.
Yeah, I'm also married, and I have a good family, and I have a son.
Wow. What's your husband?
My husband is Navy officer.
Wow.
And what's your husband?
My husband is engineer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and what are you doing? You are
I
housewife or working?
I am housewife.
Okay. You
Yeah.
are housewife.
But you're working now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because my husband is busy in ocean, so I'm busy in my profession.
Yeah, right.
So, Sonam, what do you think? Marriage life is better or bachelor life?
I think both life are better.
How?
Because we can get a good husband. Oh, sorry. We can find a good husband, so we can do anything with him. So I think both life are good.
Yeah, but
What's your opinion?
yeah, I think marriage life is better. Because if in marriage life we have a family and we are settled and we have a good environment, so
Yeah, right.
our reputation is good in society.
Yeah,
But
right.
sometimes we feel bachelor life are better.
Yeah, but it's not compulsory, right? Because my husband is very good, he's equally supportive and he's very caring and loving, so I don't think so.
Yeah, it's so good.
Yeah.
So, Sonam, what's your child?
He's good. He's studying in third class
Yeah.
and he's very cute. And so, what's your child?
Yeah, my child is also studying in class third,
Yeah.
and she's also a very good boy.
She is?
So he is.
Okay.
So Sonam, um, you uh,
Yeah. Tell me.
so your family is good or not? Means
Yeah,
your
my family
in-laws.
is good and my in-laws are very good
Yeah.
and very loving.
Yeah.
Why your in-laws are not good?
Yeah, my in-laws also good. So, Sonam, you feel you missing your friends?
Yeah, I'm missing my friends and also my family, but we meet each other. So
Yeah, but I miss also my friends because in college friends I miss too much.
yeah, right.
And it's my marriage is away from my locality, so it's right.
Yeah.
So it was
Nice meeting.